Good afternoon, friends. I am Ashwini. I am working in the Prem Foundation Pune as a computer instructor for 1 year. Let us see one example. From the top of 7-meter high building, the angle of elevation of top of tower is 60 degree and the angle of depression of tower is 30 degree. Find height of the tower. From given, let us see diagrammatical representation. They given building and tower. Height of building and this is height of tower and this is height of building. टॉवर की हाइट बिल्डिंग की हाइट से ज़्यादा ही होगी. हाइट ऑफ बिल्डिंग इज 7 मीटर. They give angle of elevation from the top of tower. From the top of tower, angle of elevation is 60 degree and angle of depression from the tower is 30 degree. एंगल ऑफ डिप्रेशन कहाँ से आता है? नीचे से. और ये 30 डिग्री. वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट हाइट ऑफ द टॉवर. हाइट ऑफ द टॉवर ए बी सी डी ई. हाइट ऑफ द टॉवर इज ए सी. डी इज इक्वल टू 7. Hence BC is equal to 7 meter. We have to calculate height of the tower AC. AC is equal to 7 plus H. AC is equal to 7 plus ABH. We have in triangle CDE. We have to calculate tan 30 is equal to DE divided by CD. Tan 30 is equal to DE 7 divided by CD. Tan 30 is equal to 1 by root 3 is equal to 7 into CD. CD is equal to 7 root 3 meter. Hence, CD is equal to 7 root 3. Hence, BE is equal to 7 root 3. In triangle ABE, tan 60 degree is equal to AB divided by EB. Tan 60 degree is equal to root 3. AB is equal to H and EB is equal to 7 root 3. Hence H is equal to 7 into root 3 into root 3 is equal to 21 meter. Height of the tower is equal to height of tower is equal to AC is equal to 7 plus H. AC is equal to 28 meter. Hence height of the tower is equal to 28 meter. Height of the tower is equal to 28 meter. Second example is a toy is in the form of hemisphere surmounted by right circular cone of the same base radius as that of hemisphere. If the radius of the base of cone is 21 cm and its volume is 2/3 volume of hemisphere, calculate height of cone and surface area of the toy. Use pi is equal to 22 by 7. Here conical part, height of the conical part, BH. Radius of the cone is equal to radius of hemisphere. So hemisphere is equal to 21 cm. Let us see diagrammatical representation of this toy. R is equal to 21 centimeter. Volume of the cone is equal to 1/3 pi r square h. Volume of the hemisphere is equal to 2/3 pi r cube. Given that volume of the cone is equal to 2/3 volume of hemisphere, hence 1/3 pi r square h is equal to 2/3 into 2/3 pi r cube. We have to calculate h, hence h is equal to 4/9 pi r cube divided by 1/3 pi r square. Hence h is equal to 4/3 into r. R is equal to 21 centimeter. Hence h is equal to 4/3 into 21 centimeter. H is equal to 28 centimeter. Hence height of the cone is equal to 28 centimeter. Hence we have to find surface area of the toy. Surface area of the toy is equal to surface area of cone plus surface area of cone plus surface area of hemisphere. Surface area of hemisphere is equal to pi RL plus 2 pi r square. Pi r divided by L plus 2r. 22/7 into 21. L is equal to h square plus r square plus 2 into 21 centimeter. 22 into 3. H square, h is equal to 21. H is equal to 28 centimeter. 28 square plus r is equal to 21 square plus 42. 66 into 784 plus 441 plus 42. 66 into plus 42. 66 into 77 is equal to 5082 centimeter square. Yes, surface area of the type is equal to 582 centimeter square. This is example. Example 2. Third example is prove that tan A divided by 1 minus cot A plus cot A divided by 1 minus tan A is equal to 1 plus tan A plus cot A. We have to get LHS. Tan A divided by 1 minus cot A plus cot A divided by 1 minus tan A is equal to sin A divided by cos A into 1 minus cos A divided by sin A plus cos A divided by sin A into 1 minus sin A divided by cos A. Sin A divided by cos A into sin A minus cos A divided by sin A into cos A divided by sin A bracket 1 minus cos A minus sin A divided by cos A. Sin square A divided by cos A into sin A minus cos A plus cos square A divided by sin A cos A minus sin A. We have to give this minus sign to put in this place. Hence sin square A divided by cos A sin A minus cos A minus cos square A divided by sin A minus cos A. Sin A minus cos A, sin A minus cos A. We have to multiply here sin cos A, in this place sin A, sin cube A, sin A cos A, sin A minus cos A, sin cube A minus cos cube A. A cube minus B cube is equal to A minus B in bracket A square plus AB plus B square. Sin cube, sin A minus cos A in bracket sin square A plus cos square A plus sin square A plus cos square A plus sin A cos A divided by sin A cos A in bracket sin A minus cos A. Yeah, sin A minus cos A, sin A minus cos A given. Sin square A divided by sin A cos A plus cos square A divided by sin A cos A plus sin A cos A divided by sin A cos A. ह्या स्क्वेअरला हे sin A गेलं. sin A divided by cos A is equal to tan A. इस cos स्क्वेयर को cos A गया और cos A divided by sin A is equal to cot A plus sin A divided by cos A sin A cos A divided by sin A cos A is equal to 1. Hence 1 plus tan A plus cot A is equal to RHS. Hence LHS is equal to RHS. Hence we have to prove that tan A divided by 1 minus cot A plus cot A divided by 1 minus tan A is equal to 1 plus tan A plus cot A. Hope this video might be helpful to you.